You're a public company and looking for a way to tell your story to millions of online investors.
Welcome to AGORACOM, North America's largest online investor relations firm. We deliver investor relations to the web's biggest sites and search engines to help you find new investors. In addition to those websites, over 1 million investors read over 95 million pages of news and information on AGORACOM this year. AGORACOM, where smart public companies and investors click.
Good morning. It's Thursday, September the 25th, and you're watching AGORACOM Small Cap TV. I'm your host, Paul Kandakos. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced, 5-minute show bringing you the best press releases at the open, along with the halts, so that you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. I've got 5 great press releases for you this morning, both sides of the borders. I have no halts to report on at this time. So without any further ado, let's get down to business. Our top story this morning comes from Gateway Gold. They trade on the TSX under the symbol GTQ. The company is announcing results from their recent drilling program on the Santa Fe Gold property, which is located in southwestern Nevada, a very friendly area for mining. All of the holes intersected thick intervals of gold and silver mineralization, and they were highlighted by hole SF08-06, which intercepted a whopping 345 feet. That's equivalent to 106 meters, grading 2.4 grams per ton of gold and 60 grams per ton of silver. So great numbers coming out of Gateway Gold this morning. The company is last at 17 cents. Their 52-week high is 84 cents. 52-week low is 8 cents. Their market cap currently stands at approximately $6 million. Moving on to Fortuna Silver Mines. They trade on the venture under the symbol FVI, and they also trade on the Lima Stock Exchange under the symbol FVI. The company is announcing initial results from their infill drill program in the Trinidad zone of the San Jose Silver Gold Deposit, which is located in Mexico. Assay results have been received for 22 drill holes located in the Trinidad zone, and I've got highlights from the press release, which include hole 127, where they're reporting 29 meters at 6.7 grams per ton of gold and 933 grams per ton of silver. So great numbers there. We've also got hole 128, which returned 15 meters at 5.7 grams per ton of gold and 1,000 grams per ton of silver. And finally, I've got hole 121, which returned 20 meters at 9 grams per ton of gold and 752 grams per ton of silver. A little bit about Fortuna. They're a growth-oriented silver and base metal producer focused on mining opportunities in Latin America. The company is last at $1.11. 52-week high is $3.96. 52-week low is 72 cents. And their market cap currently stands at just under $100 million. Moving on, I've got Quest Uranium. They trade on the venture under the symbol QUC. It looks like it's a joint venture press release. They're putting it out with Midland Exploration. They also trade on the venture under the symbol MD. They're announcing that they've returned up to 25.4% uranium on the James Bay area uranium option properties, which is located in Quebec. They've discovered high-grade uranium between 2.3% to 25.4% from grab sampling of newly discovered mineralized boulders and in historical trenches on Quest's Sanin Sigao option property. Earlier completed airborne geophysical surveys in the area show the occurrence to be associated with a 2-kilometer long radiometric anomaly. The companies are a little bit about the companies. Quest Uranium Corporation is a Canadian-based pure uranium exploration company focused on the identification and discovery of new world-class uranium deposits. And Midland Exploration targets the excellent mineral potential and the favorable investment climate of Quebec to make the discovery of new world-class deposits of gold, base metals, and uranium. Quest Uranium's last at 11.5 cents. Midland's last at 50 cents. Moving over to the U.S. side, I've got China Solar and Clean Energy Solutions. They trade on the OTCBB under the symbol CSOL. The company has announced that they've signed a contract to be the sole supplier of solar water heating systems to the overseas Chinese village, which is in Shenzhen City. The contract is valued at approximately $3.5 million. Now, the village is believed to be the largest residential project in China to rely completely on solar heated water. CSOL will be supplying and installing its state-of-the-art solar water heating systems throughout the residential area. Now, a little bit about China Solar and Clean Energy Solutions. The company manufactures and distributes hot water and space heating devices to customers in the People's Republic of China, and in addition, waste recovery heat systems. The company is last at $1.25, 52-week high is $4.50, 52-week low is 86 cents, and their market cap currently stands at approximately $8 million. And finally, I've got China Green Agriculture. They trade on the OTCBB under the symbol CGAG. The company is announcing fourth quarter year-end fiscal results for 2008. What I'm going to be providing with you for you is the full year 2008 highlights. We've got net revenues, which totaled $22.6 million, up 50% year over year. We've got gross profit, approximately $13 million. That's up approximately 56%. Year over year. We've got operating income of $9.3 million. It's up 23%. And finally, net income of $7.7 million, up 12.5% year over year. And it equates into a 53-cent per basic and fully diluted share. A little bit about China Green Agriculture. They produce and distribute humic acid-based liquid compound fertilizer. They're last at $2.80, 52-week high of $33, 52-week low of $2.60, and their market cap currently stands at approximately $52 million. That's a wrap for AGORACOM Small Cap TV. I'm your host, Paul Kandakos. Make sure you tune in again tomorrow for great press releases and halts at the open.